Team Fullest. I want to come and show you guys a quick and easy night skincare that I have been trying this few, I think today's like day 4 right now. So I was at the KRUIDVAT and I saw that the KRUIDVAT has retinol, so this is the one I picked up and I've been using this now like 4 days now. I really love the way it actually make my skin look. And I used to have, I still, it's something that is in my system, okay? During pregnancy hormone balance, I used to have a bunch of stuff coming out of my face here, but now my body, my hormone is getting back to normal, so it's clearing up a little bit, but I still had like a little bit around my mouth hair. So I thought, you know what, sometimes I use product and it disappeared and it will come back because it's something that's in the system, so it's clearing up. But sometimes there's a product I can use that will minimize the appearance on my skin. So I was at the KRUIDVAT and I saw this retinol and I thought, you know what, let me give it a try. I've been reading some really great reviews online on retinol. I have a very sensitive skin, so it's not something I've really dived into, but I thought, you know what, there's nothing wrong in trying. Let me just try it. Let me just try it on this area of my face and see if it will minimize this bump I have here. I will look for old pictures or something and put it so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So I've been using this now for like 4 days now. So this is what I do at night, okay? The last 4 days is what I do. I go in with my face wash, this is what I do, and I use my exfoliation brush. Sometimes I use my exfoliation brush and sometimes I just use just the normal face wash, okay? And I'll do this, go in for like 3 to 5 minutes, you know, go in with exfoliant brush, make sure I exfoliate my face very well with the brush. This is what I do. And then after that, now as you guys can see, I'm having the Jogobe face mask. This is like a face mask and a scrub at the same time. This is 2-in-1 product. It's a face mask and it's also a scrub. So first what you do, you use your finger. You can also use a brush to like scrub the product into your skin, get rid of all the dead skin, you really get into the pores and all of that. And then after that, you can leave it in for like 15 minutes to act as a face mask. So I picked this up and I really love this one. I'm keeping it. I love the smell. And then after I'm done with this, now as you guys can see, it's more than 15 minutes. It's dry. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to wash this right now. Wash this, and then I'm going in with the retinol serum from the KRUIDVAT. So this is like the night one. I really like this one. This is my first KRUIDVAT skincare product I've ever picked up. I'm just experimenting, but so far I loved it. And I'll go in with this. I try to avoid this side of my face, like around this side. I try to avoid it, and I just apply it on the rest of my face, and then I avoid my eye area because it's a sensitive place, and I just avoid it. And later on I'll go in with some Vaseline or shea butter, with raw shea butter, and I'll put it underneath my eyes. Or I do have also on the eye serum that I bought from the Lidl, and that one also is very good. I do use that as well. I go in between that serum and my shea butter and Vaseline. So those are the 3 products that I actually go in between when it comes to my under eyes, because it's very sensitive. I just don't go there with a bunch of products. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to first wash my face, and then I'm going to show you guys how I apply this. This is really good. It's like 4 days now I've been using it, and that bump that I used to have, it's disappear. It get dry day 1, I apply it, and then the next morning when I wake up, it was really dry. And then day 2 it start coming out, and then day 3 I went in with this scrub to scrub it. Maybe when I wash my face you guys can see it a little bit, but it's really getting better. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm going to quickly wash my face, and also I have a special face towel. I have this mini towel that I purchased that I use on my face. I try my best not to use my body towel on my face because that also is not really good as well. So yeah, I wash my face with cold water as well. I do not use warm water. I use cold water on my face, and that it really helps. So I'm going to quickly wash my face, and then I'll be back to show you guys how I apply it. I just like to give it a shake because it has been standing. So I'm gonna shake it a little bit, and a little bit go a long way. If you have a sensitive skin, try a spot on your face. I don't know if you guys can see. I don't know if you guys can see the mark of the little spot that I used to have. And also it's also lightening it up a little bit because this area of my face is like a little bit darker because of all the scars of the thing that used to come out of my skin, so it's a bit darker. But using this, I want to see if this one is also going to make it a little bit lighter to look the same as my, like, the skin here, you know, because you guys can see here's a bit darker here, especially here you guys can see the darkness. But anyway, so far so good. I love the way my skin is looking. Perfect. So I'm gonna take this and I like to just go like this. Okay, just a little bit, go a long way. And then I'm just gonna use my hand and I'm just gonna like really blend this into my skin. Avoid the eye area because it's very, very sensitive around that area for me. I'm just gonna take a little bit more and just put it on my hand. Mine's on my forehead. Don't forget to just use whatever is on your hand and just like bring it down to your neck as well. There's one thing I was telling a friend. I said, when it comes to dark-skinned people, when we get older, it's very hard for you to see wrinkles on our faces when we get older. But if you want to know that somebody is getting older, look at our hand and our neck. Dark-skinned people, our neck and our hands tells our age, because sometimes it's very hard to look at a dark-skinned person and be like, oh, this person is old. Like when it comes to wrinkles, you really don't see the wrinkles quickly, but you can tell on your neck, on your hand. So when you're taking care of your skin, don't forget your neck and your hand. And this is the reason why I wear SPF on my hand every single day. When I use my hand cream, I go in with my SPF because you can really tell on your hands that you're getting old as a dark skin. So this is my skincare routine. It's very, very simple and I really, really loved it. So far, so good. I have been enjoying it and I'll be back to give you guys more updates to see if this product will get rid of the dark spots around my mouth. Team Fullest, thank you guys so much. Peace out.